Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Reliance Standard Insurance, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate your Reliance Standard Insurance, begin by visiting the official Reliance Standard website. Look for the login section on the home page. If you're a new user, click on the register or sign up option. Input your personal information such as your name, date of birth, and email address. Create a secure password to protect your account. You may need to verify your email address by checking your inbox for a confirmation link. Once your email is verified, return to the login page. Enter your credentials, your email, and the password you just created. After logging in, navigate to the Insurance Activation section. Here, you'll find an option to activate your policy. Click on that option to proceed. You'll be prompted to enter your policy number. Refer to your policy documents to locate this number. Fill in any additional information required, such as your social security number or phone number. Review your information carefully to ensure accuracy. Once you confirm that everything is correct, click the Activate button. You will receive a confirmation notice if the activation is successful. Keep a copy of this confirmation for your records. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer service. You can find their contact information on the website. Customer support is available to assist you with any questions or concerns. Once activated, you can log in to manage your insurance policy anytime. This includes viewing your coverage details and filing claims. Congratulations, you have successfully activated your Reliance Standard Insurance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.